Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a cryptocurrency exchange with Binance, full guide step by step clearly. To create a cryptocurrency exchange using Binance, follow these steps. Begin by researching the regulatory requirements for operating a cryptocurrency exchange in your region. Understand the legal framework to ensure compliance with local laws. Next, create a business plan outlining your exchange's goals, target market, and revenue model. Choose a suitable name for your cryptocurrency exchange that reflects your brand. Proceed to register your business entity according to your local regulations. Now, set up a digital wallet to securely store the cryptocurrencies you will be dealing with. Open an account on Binance and complete the necessary verification processes. Familiarize yourself with Binance API documentation to understand how to integrate your exchange. Start developing your exchange platform by selecting a technology stack that meets your needs. You can either build the platform from scratch or use existing software solutions tailored for cryptocurrency exchanges. Implement key features such as user registration, multi-factor authentication, and trading functionalities. Integrate the Binance API into your platform to facilitate seamless trading and data retrieval. Ensure that security measures are in place to protect user data and funds from potential threats. Test the platform rigorously to identify and fix any bugs or issues before launch. Conduct a beta test with a small group of users to gather feedback on performance and usability. Once finalized, launch the cryptocurrency exchange publicly, offering customer support channels for assistance. Market your exchange through various channels to attract users and build a community around your brand. Regularly update your platform based on user feedback and changing market conditions. Stay informed about industry trends and regulatory changes to ensure your exchange remains compliant and competitive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.